Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are gonna show that x is equal to cos inverse of pi by 4 plus 4x. And since we are given here, A is the point on the circumference of the circle with center O and radius r, and the circular arc with center A meets the circumference at B and C, and the angle OAB is equal to the x radians, and the shaded region is bounded by AB, AC, and the circular arc with center A joining B and C. So the perimeter of the shaded region is equal to half the circumference of the circle. So since we know perimeter is half the circumference of the circle, which is half 2 pi r, so perimeter will be equal to pi times r. Now, in order to find the perimeter of the shaded region, so we don't know what is the length of AB and AC, and if we know that, so then we will able to find the arc length too. So first of all, we need to work out for this how we can find AB. So if we split this from here, so that's mean we will get an isosceles triangle, since we know O to A is radius, so O to B is also a radius, and we know since this is radius and this is radius, so that's mean this is isosceles triangle. So if this is isosceles triangle, if this angle is x, so this angle is also x, and this angle will be pi minus 2x, since we know the angles in a triangle are add up to 180 degree. So now we know the angle, and since we know two sides and angle here, this angle, so we can apply cosine rule here to find AB. So if we apply cosine rule, so this is AB square is equal to r square plus r square minus 2 times r and cos of pi minus 2x. So if we simplify this, so this is 2r square minus 2r square, and since we know cos of pi minus 2x is equal to negative cos 2x, so this will make this as a positive sign, and this will become cos of 2x. And now if we find AB from here, so we have to take square root on both sides. So if we take square root of r square, since r square is common, so r will go out, and inside the square root we will left over with 2 plus 2 times cos of 2x. So now here, even though we can take 2 as a common, and this can be written as 1 plus cos 2x. So since here we know there must be a single angle to get, like, x here. So again we will use the double angle identity, since we know cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So which means 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. So if we replace this with this identity, so that's mean this AB must be equal to r root 2 times 2 cos square x, and we know AB will be equal to r times 4 cos square x, and once we will take the square root of this, so this will be 2r cos x. So if we know this length AB is this, so similarly AC must be the same, so this is 2r cos 2x, and we can find the arc length. So arc length is, since we know this is the sector here, so to find this arc length from B to C, we know the formula r times angle. So r is basically this AB length, so which is 2r cos x, sorry, this is cos of x, this is also cos of x, and then this is 2r cos x times by angle theta, which is 2x, because this is x, this is also x. So now we know, if we simplify this one, so this is 4rx cos x. So now the perimeter for this shaded region will be AB plus AC plus the arc length. So that's mean 2r cos x plus 2r cos x plus 4rx cos x. And then from here, as you remember, like initially based on this one, the perimeter of the shaded region is equal to half the circumference of the circle. So we come up with this. So pi times r is equal to, so here if we simplify this too, so this is 4r cos x plus 4rx cos of x. So throughout r will be cancelled out. So once r is going to cancel out, so we will get pi is equal to 4 plus 4x times cos x. So if we simplify this one, so this will be giving us x is equal to cos inverse of pi by 4 plus 4x. So that's what we need to prove. Hope you understand this one. Thanks for watching.